future, getting away on vacation is a breeze. Your smart suitcase knows where you're going and what you need. And with solar power from your car's fueling station, you're off. You won't have to worry about your pets while you're gone, thanks to handy household robots. You leave your country home in an ultra-light, ultra-powerful, totally networked family car that can take you anywhere. You've already planned a trip with your virtual travel agent. Hotels, check. Restaurants, check. Guided tours, check. You'll never get bored on the journey because your car's holographic gaming technology keeps you connected to friends back home. You'll travel quickly and safely to places you can't imagine visiting today. And the moment you arrive at your ultimate vacation destination, you can dive right in to the future. The end. Or should I say the beginning?